I'm Nick Lambros. I'm an estate planning attorney, and I'm the owner of Lambros Law Office based in Cranston, Rhode Island. Our practice is very different from most attorneys. The experience clients will have is very different. For example, most attorneys, their relationship with their clients is purely transactional. That is, they'll give them a stack of documents that the client probably doesn't understand. The client signs them, they part ways, and may never see each other again. Our experience will be very different. We want to make sure that the estate plan is designed and customized to meet the client's needs. That is, to make sure that it follows their dreams, their goals, their concerns in life, and accomplishes everything that they want. And it should be as unique as the clients. We want to have a lifelong relationship with the clients. We want to go beyond the transaction. I make sure that the clients understand in simple terms and basic English what the documents are for, how they operate, and how they work. That's critical, so the client understands what they're doing. When we have a client contact us, we have an initial consultation, typically virtually or in person. And that consultation will really be to determine if we're going to be a good fit for one another, whether the client will be a good fit for us and whether we'll be a good fit for that client. So that's really important that we get to know each other, make sure that we can work with the client and they can work with us. Once we determine that we're going to be a good fit for one another, we will schedule a design meeting where we'll meet with the client and design the appropriate plan for the client. Once that is done, it's reviewed, the drafts are finalized, we'll meet with the client, we'll have a signing ceremony. At the signing ceremony, they'll sign all the important documents for their estate plan. And then once that is done, we move on to the next phase. We call it the funding phase, where we're going to move assets into the trust that we've created. And we'll work, again, closely with the team of advisors that the client has to make sure that happens. That's critical. That's really important that we not only draft the appropriate documents, but we actually move the assets into the trust. So we want to make sure that everything is lined up. And then in the future, we'll work with the client to make sure all their additional assets or their new assets are properly placed inside the trust. And that really sets us apart from most attorneys and most law firms. So the best way to reach out to us is through our website, LambrosLawLLC.com. They can go to our website and they can book a call, book a consultation with us, or they can simply call our office, 401-383-9899. We know that there's so many events that happen during our lifetimes. Clients of Lambros Law know and appreciate that we'll always be there to advise them and their families through the many paths that we travel in life.